She ain't been started in, I don't know, 4 days. She about went. She about went. This is a cold start, boys. Holy moly! In the blind spot mirror, there's so much soot on the snow. What is up, loud and proud crowd? I hope you guys are doing absolutely fabulous today. I'm out in the dually 12 valve right now, and I've got to go ship out some merch. It's the softest, oh my goodness. This stuff is Under Armour quality. Sadly, right now we are completely sold out of that stuff, like gone. But good news, I'm going to be bringing the merch back in a couple of weeks, and I think 2-ish, 3-ish weeks, give or take, I'm gonna get the merch back in stock. I'm gonna have everything stocked back up, and I'm gonna be doing a merch sale with some new designs, all new stuff, all new apparel, and I'm also gonna be throwing in a $2,000 cash prize to whoever happened to draw out of the basket, so to speak, which is gonna be an online drawing, throw all the names in. Basically, every $5 spent is gonna get you an entry. I'm gonna lower it a little bit, so more entries for people, to an entry to possibly win $2,000 cash that I will send you via PayPal if you win. That is going to be happening in just a couple of weeks. I don't have a set date yet. I've been trying to line up stuff like crazy, making phone calls, ordering in the merch, getting stuff ready, because I'm going to be doing a $2,000 cash prize. I was trying to debate between doing an ATV giveaway and just $2,000 cash. 75% of people are saying do the cash, and 15% are saying do the ATV so I can just sell the ATV after you go through the hassle of shipping it out and then get more money. And then about 10% of people only said that they actually wanted an ATV to actually, you know, use it around their house, around their farm, or whatever. So I'm just thinking I'm going to do $2,000 cash, which I think is still a very generous, you know, giveaway. And hopefully it goes well. You know, that's what I'm shooting for. These giveaways, it's not about, you know, my merch is the coolest, my stuff's the best. Really what it is, which I'm trying to make it better and better. Like this stuff is, it's two-tone digital camo. I mean, I'm trying to make sure this stuff is quality stuff for you guys, and I'm trying to get the prices down and stuff as much as I can. That's what I'm trying to work on right now, and hopefully I can get it all figured out. I gotta get on the road here and ship some merch out, and then get back, and maybe we can get a little something done on the Nasty Red and maybe the first gen. Before we leave, I gotta show you guys this. Look at all this soot. That's awesome. Let's get on the road. We'll get back to the barn in a minute. We are in the garage working on the first gen right now. When I say working, I mean we're swapping out headlights. But I'm going to make this a very quick video because we've done a lot of headlight stuff recently, and I don't want you guys to have to go through all the specs and the details and the install stuff. It's very easy on a first gen, so let's just get it done right now. All done, and that was probably the fastest headlight job I have ever done on any truck, hands flipping down. Probably a 3-4 minute job tops. Look how bright the sons of guns are. So bright. And the first gen headlights, install, quick disconnect. I mean, this is innovation way before its time. That was the best headlight swap out I've ever flipping down on a truck. Now those are flipping cool. However, I will leave a link to these down in the description below. I don't want to spend too much time on headlights because, you know, headlights are awesome. When I check my link on click average rate, these sell more than any other video I've ever done. Every time I do headlights, so many people buy these. But go check these out, link in the description. If you got a first gen with that style headlight, flip and check them out. That was super easy install, and they are very bright. Let me turn the lights off actually in here, get a little bit better justice. There. Look at that. That looks awesome. Okay, well I'm gonna go turn it off now because I don't want to do any harm to that battery. This truck sat for a while and everything. But yeah, super easy install. Definitely recommend them if you've got a first gen. But anyways, link in the description. Let's get on to the Nasty Red. Okay, everybody, so what we're going to be installing in the Nasty Red today, just to get one more thing down and off the list, is a Torque Tech 12-valve Cummins P7100 pump overflow valve. This may not seem like a very big mod, but it's definitely an important factor when it comes to the overall performance when you're looking to, you know, increase the horsepower of your truck in all aspects, but make it efficient in all aspects as well. So this video is sponsored by Diesel Auto Power. If you guys want to go check them out, link in the description or go to dieselautopower.com. Let them know the guys from Loud and Proud sent you. We're going to go get this installed on the truck. This is a fairly easy job and only requires one tool, and I believe that is a 3/4 inch wrench. Okay, let me show you what we're dealing with here. This is this should be, you know, a lot of jobs seem like they should be easy and they don't end up being easy, but this should be a fairly easy job. What we got here, it's just right there. I can't zoom in because it, you know, the camera won't cooperate in the cold weather, but right there is the overflow valve, and basically all we got to do is take a 3/4 inch wrench, undo that, and thread the, you know, lube up the O-rings and thread the new one back in. That right there is the factory overflow valve. If you look here, here's the factory. Here's the one that DAP sent us in. Boys and girls, that is the install on that. What we're gonna do actually is get the truck started up, because we didn't start it yesterday, and I had a bunch of guys that were concerned because I didn't start it, even though I was just doing, you know, fuel plate stuff, which I get it, you know, it is routine. You should start the vehicle and always check to make sure there's no leaks and stuff. I guess I just wasn't concerned enough about it, you know, with the job I've already done many times and I've never had an issue with, to actually go and start the vehicle, you know, cold start the truck, you know, not just start it, but cold start it, just to check for leaks and then shut it off in 2 minutes. But since we have done another modification to the truck, I will start the truck up and I will let it run, but I am going to open up the garage door first, and just so we don't get smoked out in here. Wait to start. I'm gonna cycle it again. Let's see if we can get it. Let me get the camera set up on the hillbilly stack there and get a view. Guys, I am so flippin' impressed. It is seriously like 5 degrees out here again. We just got a bunch of snow. I mean, it is frigid cold. And this truck has not been started in probably 2.5, 3 weeks maybe. And it just, I mean, it fired up on a dime with 1/4 of a throttle, like nothing at all. No plug-in, nothing. Just sitting in the barn here, no heating. No insulation on the walls. I mean, it's cold. It's really cold, but it fired right up. So I'm just gonna check around the truck for leaks and stuff, and, you know, just basic routine. Maybe give it a couple revs and see if it notices a little difference in the response. But I'm not gonna do that until truck's warmed up at least a little bit. I mean, it's a little hazy, obviously, here. The truck's been running here for, I don't know, 15 minutes now. But that truck, even on those higher revs, the revs that were about 1800 RPM there, it didn't roll coal or anything at all, to be honest. Like, I mean, it did a little dusting, a little puff here and there, but it wasn't like on my truck. If you pump that throttle, just a little thump thump, I mean, it's just clouds. I mean, there's just cloud. The black smoke comes out, which I'm going to tune mine down because, like, I like it, but it's a little bit excessive, I'll be honest, driving down the road. So I'm going to tune my AFC housing down, take my smoke screw and set it closer back to stock, because right now it's a little bit, I want it to roll a little bit of coal just because I like that, but not as much as it does. It smokes a lot. Everything seems to be going pretty good here. I don't see any leaks, anything around the AFC housing. that I've looked around and noticed, or around this little, you know, overflow valve, no leaks. There's a little bit of runoff from when I took it off, but nothing new. I mean, I dried it all up and there's nothing new around it. I don't see any leaks that I can see. I don't see any leaks at all, to be honest. We're getting the horsepower gains that we want little by little. Running real good with what's been done in terms of the AFC stuff and the overflow valve so far. But anyways, guys, to DAP's website, Diesel Auto Power, go to dieselautopower.com or link in the description. You guys can get their stuff there. Lots of stuff, great products, and great prices on their stuff. So definitely go check them out. If there's anything you think you might need for your diesel truck, go check them out. They might have what you need, and if they don't, give them a call, and I'm sure they can help you out with what they think is your best option from what they have, or they will definitely help you out and, you know, let you know what they would recommend. New order just went down for the nasty red. Okay, so we should have a bunch more stuff coming in. It's about to get nasty with this truck. I'm talking, we just ordered wheels, tires. You guys will just have to wait and see. You guys will just have to wait and see. But this truck is about to look so sick, and I'm talking sick as crap, dude. It's gonna look so good. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna keep this video short and sweet. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy that, smash that like button, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you are new, join the team, join the family. Link in the description. Go to dieselautopower.com to get any of your diesel performance parts that you are looking for. Go check them out. They might have what you need. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.